Women's Day and women's rights. What will come into your mind when you think about a woman? For me, the God is the superior power to create a living organism. The women are the creators of the world. They only have the power to give life to a human. In my point of view, every day is a Women's Day. Women's suffrage movement actually began in 1848 on Women's Rights Convention held at New York. Women working from board-based economic and political equality and social reforms. Women's role in different categories in the world has been growing up every day, and now equal roles for women in Indian Army also. They are growing up as an entrepreneurs, architect, cinematographers, actors, scientists, politicians. So the men have to support physically or mentally in every aspects of a female habitat, living or their achievements. Apart from this, protecting the rights and improving the lives of the women and girls on the grounds of whole society, and but still women and girls around the world are married as child or trafficked in forced labor and sex slavery. They refused access to education and political partitions, prevented from making deeply personal choice in their private lives. Of course, human rights watch in working towards the realization of the woman empowerment and gender equality. Every woman have their own rights and we have to give support them for every aspect of their life. As a man, I do support. Why? Because mother's 9 months pain is much harder than a man's lifetime success. Save women rights, save humanity, save the world, and try to see the smile in the face of a woman, but not the tears. As I said in the first, every day is a Women's Day. Let us raise our hands and support the women's rights and human rights.